Today we're removing the passenger seat. I couldn't find a video, so we're going to make one.
I couldn't find a video explaining how to remove the passenger seat from a Gen 2 Prius, so here we are. It's much simpler than I expected. Essentially, you have 4 bolts to remove and a few sensors to disconnect underneath. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and a 14mm socket wrench. First, I'll start by sliding the seat forward and removing the plastic covers on the end of the sliding rails.
You gotta remove these two. Gross.
Once those are off, you'll see the 2 bolts in the back. They're both 14mm. The right one looks like this and is mounted vertically. The left one looks like this and is mounted horizontally. They may be a little tough to get moving, as they probably haven't moved in 10 plus years. Once you're finished with those, slide the seat back and remove the 2 bolts mounted vertically at the end of the rails. They should be easy to find. Mine were rusty and I was worried they would cause trouble, but they came out just fine. Now that all the bolts are out, tip the seat back a little and disconnect the 2 plugs mounted to the bottom of the seat. As far as I know, these are airbag sensors. Also remove the group of wires on the right by unlatching their harness. You should see a little black tube.
It's a clip. This comes down.
Now the seat is completely free and you can remove it from the car. It helped me to recline the seat, tilt it toward me, and then remove it by rotating right. Last step is to give it a cleaning if you're into that kind of thing. Hope this helped. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.
Hope that helps. Good luck.